Hi, beautiful friends. Today we're making creamy spaghetti Alfredo from scratch. Smooth, rich, and absolutely comforting. Stay with me and let's cook it perfectly. We need spaghetti, butter, fresh garlic, heavy cream, grated Parmesan cheese, salt, and black pepper. Start by boiling plenty of water. Pasta needs space to cook evenly. Always salt your water well. This is the only chance to season the pasta itself. Add the spaghetti and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes until al dente, soft but still slightly firm. Stir occasionally so the pasta doesn't stick together. Drain the pasta fully, but do not rinse. We want the starch for the sauce. Drain the pasta fully, but do not rinse. We want the starch for the sauce. Now we prepare our creamy Alfredo sauce. Add fresh garlic and cook lightly for about 1 minute. Do not brown it. Pour in the cream and let it simmer gently for 3 to 5 minutes. Add Parmesan slowly and stir until the sauce becomes smooth and thick. See how it's getting thick and creamy? Perfect! And there you have it, a smooth, delicious sauce. Season carefully, taste and adjust gently. Add the pasta back into the sauce and toss until every strand is coated. Let it cook together for 1 more minute so the sauce clings perfectly. Plate gently for that restaurant-style look. Perfect! Ready to enjoy. Creamy, smooth, and perfectly balanced. Follow me for more beautiful homemade recipes. And let's keep cooking together.